Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Shake Effect in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut PC application, and if we want to add Shake Effect to our video, we need to go to the Effect menu. You can select this Effect menu in the CapCut and wait, I'm going to click to load, right? And here we can just type in shake and there will be some results for you, and you can choose the shake effect that you like. You can select the shake 1 and shake 2, and I'm gonna go with this one. I'm going to add it to my video. If we want to add it to our video, we can just drag it to our video, or you can also click on this plus icon to add it to the timeline. Okay, and this is how the effect looks like, and then you can customize the range and the speed as well. I'm going to increase it, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Shake Effect in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.